Dumelang Lindlord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Now, my landlord, we all know that Inimba is coming back for season 2, and it is coming with a bang, and we are excited for them, right? Now, entertainment at TV blog by Mlu says casting announcement. Sia Raymond joins season 2 of Inimba. He'll play Azande, whose appearance is set to cause chaos and destruction. Inimba is returning for its highly anticipated season 2, starting on Monday, the 2nd of March, in a new slot, which will be 8:30 time slot. And we know that the 8:30 time slot is at the very important time slot as well as the 7:30 one. So with that said, I read a few comments, and one of the comments was from Toka. Toka said, I really hope him and Zoleka don't have a past. Yeah, anything is possible. Anything is possible. And another person says, one person who never struggles with finding a role. True. He never struggles finding a role, and he's a perfect fit. Like everywhere he goes, it just works. I don't know why, but he just he's always a perfect fit. And then Blackstone says, Mara, was I hoping it was gonna be Zolisa Xaluva. Congratulations, Sia. Ooh, it would have been nice also to see Zolisa Xaluva. That guy acts like I don't know, but he's brilliant. Now, Tandega says he is probably Las's nephew from the States, and he had a thing with Uzo. Ooh. This guy has acted on everything. I will only watch if and when the distraction is formed against Kusela and Les and Zo's brewing marriage. How about Tung? Can't they be happy? Already getting anxious about his presence before the season even begins. I'm anxious as well. This is Dogotel. I can't say I'm excited for this, but okay, let's see ukuthi usiphathele ini. Unoluntu says, why are Inimba fans always complaining when a new cast is announced? Guys, of course it will be like that now. You all want to gatekeep the show. You want to gatekeep and make the show have a toxic behavior. Guys, there's no gatekeeping lah. Everybody that comes is welcome in Inimba, as long as they do not mess up with the slutty narcissism tendencies. We are okay. What do you think about him being added to the screen? Of course, we are talking about Sia Raymond. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disability. I love you. Peace. Bye.